That seemed quite big in my opinion. Welcome back to yet another episode of T5. It's been a bit since we last chat, and I wanted to give you guys a quick update. For the past couple of months, we've been traveling around Asia. We spent some time in Cambodia, beautiful Cambodia, and the rest of the time we spent it in Thailand. What an incredible place. Today's video is going to be a little bit different because we're going to be doing a T5 Unbox edition. It's going to be fun. But before we get to the unbox, I need to take care of something really quick. Parking ticket. Okay, done with the ticket. Now, moving on to what this video is all about. So lately, I've been having a little bit of pet peeve when it comes to monitor real estate. See, I've been dreading having to edit my videos, and the reason why is because I am getting beyond frustrated with having to scroll all the way to the right to get to the end of my timeline. To alleviate that, I decided to just go ahead and get some monitor real estate, and that is exactly what this T5 Unbox Edition episode is all about. Let's go. That looks massive. I love having this standing desk here. Now with this monitor, which we're gonna try to fit on this section here, we'll see how it all comes together. This is what comes with the monitor. Instructions, materials. I presume these are the accessory boxes. Power brick. USB-C to USB-C, perfect, just what I need. It has a video display connector. It comes with an HDMI cable. Again, power brick. A USB-C to standard USB dongle or adapter. And the AC for the power brick. Manuals, accessories, and what in the world, CD? Then over here on the right, manual. Let's see, this is probably, yep, this is the base for the monitor. And here's the piece of glass itself. Right now it's upside down. So let's go ahead and put it together. Here it is. I think we should just go ahead and fire it up. What do you guys think? If you guys are enjoying this video, please subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and would appreciate it if you leave a little comment below. Let me know how the video is going. Do you like this monitor? Let's just fire it up and see what we got. And voila! Here it is. It is working as the default out of the box. There isn't anything as specific, any configuration that I have done just yet. But I'm gonna be fiddling around later on with this. This is just a first impression of this UltraWide monitor from LG. I will do a follow-up video later on, and I'll discuss the pros and cons of it. So for now, guys, thanks so much for watching this T5 Unbox Edition video, and I guess we'll see you on the next one. Peace. So this is the reason why I wanted to set this up, and let me just show you guys a little bit of how the timeline now in Premiere Pro while editing looks like. Just look at that. So dope.